Welcome back to 3Y Channel. This is episode 4 of our Metal China 2026 deep dive series. If episode 3 was all about the machines, the muscle of the foundry industry, then episode 4 is all about the foundation. We cover materials, consumables, refractories, and supporting supplies. We're breaking down Hall 1 and 2 professionally. We focus on real sourcing and production value. This is not just surface-level observations. We'll quickly touch on that small robot Co-Expo section. This episode is about the core foundry supply chain. If you're a sourcing manager or foundry operator chasing tangible factory upgrades, make sure to stick around. Every data point we cover today is curated specifically for your procurement decision-making. Hall 1 and 2 is the unsung hero of this expo. A lot of casual viewers walk through here and think it's just supplies. But for professional foundry operators, this zone determines profit margin. It also affects product qualification rate and production stability. The equipment makes the production line possible, but the materials determine whether you actually make money every day. This zone is perfectly matched with Hall 3 and 4 machinery. It's designed for one-stop sourcing. You can buy your entire production line and all the running materials in one place. That's the huge advantage of attending a show like Metal China. You're not just buying individual items. You're securing a full, stable supply chain. We keep covering this one-stop industrial advantage in every episode. So consider subscribing to lock in these exclusive Expo insights. These details no casual tour video will break down for you. This is the starting input of every foundry. You'll see aluminum ingots, zinc ingots, and copper alloys. Also stainless steel master alloys and various iron materials. The key here isn't just simple metal. It requires consistent composition and low impurity content. Batch stability and traceability are also critical. Tiny impurities cause porosity and cracks in precision casting. It also leads to dimensional failure and rejected parts. Top automotive-grade suppliers control impurity rates to under 0.02%. This method directly lifts first-pass yield by 8-12. European alloys lead in ultra-pure specialty grades. Chinese alloys have stable bulk supply at mainstream purity. It fits high-volume die casting and automotive parts production. It is not ideal for small-batch aerospace casting. These are the items you use every single day. They directly hit your factory cost structure, such as coatings, release agents, and sand binders. Modern foundry consumables are no longer generic chemicals. Top products are low odor and low emission. They are high-temperature resistant for specific processes, including die casting, sand casting, and gravity casting. Qualified consumables extend mold life by up to 30%. It also reduces post-processing labor by 15%. Japanese consumables lead in high-temperature stability. Chinese products have lower recurring daily production cost. It suits factories running 2-3 shifts daily. It does not fit low-run custom job shops. Refractories are high heat shielding components. They line furnaces, ladles, runners, and risers. They withstand extreme molten metal temperatures. They resist thermal shock and long-term erosion. Exhibits include bricks, castables, and insulation materials. Key indexes are refractoriness and compressive strength. Premium refractory liners last 20-25 longer. This performance drastically cuts factory downtime. European refractories suit extreme heat niche use cases. Chinese refractories have great durability and cost value. It is essential for 24/7 continuous melting production lines. It is not suitable for small intermittent use workshops. You can find precision mold bases near raw materials. Also various professional industrial testing instruments. Mold precision directly defines part dimensional accuracy. On-site QC tools detect nearly all internal defects. Testing equipment ensures every batch meets customer specs. It is critical for automotive and export industrial parts. Many booths provide customized tooling solutions. European QC tools own ultra-high detection precision. Chinese tooling keeps stable for mainstream production. It fits export-focused factories and auto parts suppliers. It does not suit small local foundries without certifications. Real quick, let's wrap up this side note. About a third of Hall 2 shares a smart manufacturing Co-Expo. It displays humanoid robots and automation demos. Most are general smart manufacturing applications. They are not dedicated foundry-specific equipment. They are interesting to see but not core industry devices. We won't cover these irrelevant products in depth. The real value of this hall stays in foundry raw supplies. This zone shows China's complete integrated foundry supply chain. Overseas buyers source materials from different countries. They purchase machines and consumables separately. Here you get all industrial supplies in one expo ecosystem. This mode brings shorter lead times for global buyers. It realizes better cost coordination and easier troubleshooting. It offers more stable long-term material supply. It benefits factories with new construction or upgrading plans. I highly recommend saving this video for later reference. You can compare material grades and supply chain logic anytime. Hit the subscribe button for our follow-up market analysis. We've wrapped both professional on-site deep dives. We covered full equipment breakdown in Hall 3 and 4. We finished materials analysis in Hall 1 and 2. We have covered every core corner of this Foundry Expo. But we're not done with this industrial series yet. Episode 5 will bring the most valuable big picture analysis. We break down the entire global foundry market. We analyze China's industry position and real tech level, also including cost, delivery, and after-sales comparison. This episode matters for every global sourcing manager. Make sure you're subscribed and turn on notification alerts. Catch episode 5 the second it goes live. Stay locked in, and we'll see you in the next one.